What am I hiding from you?
What is it?
Akono. Ohada Ama. Me no ohada ufia.
Wofa, you have to come to terms with reality. Akono. She's far, far above you. She's far above you. You have to thank God that you are losing her to your nephew, me, Amua. The beko go and the enko corner.
Amwa, adoyare. Anawa bodam. Unu so ba me ira.
Hey, are you still living in a fool's paradise, huh?
Mr. Amwa, please calm down. Let us come in so that we can settle this issue amicably.
Hey! What the idea about come to say Kwakwalo Bitten? What's he saying? Hey! We are pastor. Look, let me tell you. This is purely family issue.
Jesus Christ.
Are you one of our family members? Are you one of our family members? Charles!
Sir!
Oh yeah?
Ajapisi, you find some nyame wa.
Yo.
Yanko.
Away. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey.
Ifira, all what my husband has said is true.
Good.
And I am very grateful to him. He brought me to the city, policed me, and looked for a job for me. In fact, he has done a lot for me. And God bless you for that. Landlord, I know how much my husband has spent on me. If he had used the money for business, or even saved it, it would have yielded him some dividends. I am ready to pay him how much he has spent on me, plus some interest. Please ask him how much he has spent on me so far.
Tajakusi, your wife says, how much have you spent on her?
Well, landlord, if he cannot do that, I am prepared to help him. First and foremost, he restored my sight. I will offer him 2 million cedis for all his troubles. I have lived with him for about 2 years. Let's assume he spent 5,000 cedis on me each day. It's about 2 million cedis. He clothed me. Let's make that one 2 million cedis. And for all the troubles and the inconveniences I have caused him for living with him, I doubled the amount. And from my heart, I have added 4 million cedis. This is 3,000 euros. Take this and stop the yard. If you change this, it's more than 20 million cedis. And from today, I am not your wife. You are my uncle. I wish you good luck.
Hey! Send you sitting. You see who? Me man enko.
Nyabotre transit. Hey, nana dia wo yire wo dia brocheska. Transit. Kan wakoma to yem. Na de onyame beka no ene wo mu. E mane how kra.
Yo.
Akwada wo de ne ba me hu no.
Yo. Hey. Yeah. Akonobia. Ah. Ti bebre ba ma ya makonobia. Kali hu. Anu kwa pa. Konobia ukurasini. Enam de waba krom am waba po. Tade a wode yemi. Mpelifo kan. Se wo kyerɛ kwasie duawe a. Oda ne tua na no. There are some brand that push your fork at me. Oh, Ada, Minya, dear David, Minya, I call up here. Oh, I call up here. Never be. I didn't mean to say, yeah. Ooh. Hey. Hey.
Mr. Kusi, what are you trying to do to yourself? Do you want to take your life just because your wife has left you? Huh?
Osafo. Eden na hu mi din. Eden na hu sem pese me kume hu.
Mr. Kusi, the Lord just revealed to me that you want to take your life. But listen, the Bible says in 1 Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 18 that in all things we should give thanks and praise to God. So you see, you don't have to kill yourself. You should always remember that there is light at the end of the tunnel. So whatever the situation, please give everything to God. God will help you. Give to God.
Osafo. Akono bia be passa.
Mr. Kusi, don't worry. I am going for an all-night prayers. If I leave you here, the devil will deceive you to kill yourself. So I'm taking you along with me. The Lord will help you. Don't worry. Let's go. Let's go. The Lord will help you. Let's go.
Hey, what do you want here?
Oh, Amwa.
No. You just stand there. We can talk.
Amwa.
What am I hiding from you?
What is it?
Akono. Amwa.
Wafa, you have to come to terms with reality. Akono. She's far above you. She's far above you. You have to thank God that you are losing her to your nephew, me, Amua. The Beko go and the Nkokona.
Amwa, Adoyare. Anawabodam.
Hey, are you still living in a fool's paradise, huh?
Mr. Amwa, please calm down. Let us come in so that we can settle this issue amicably.
Hey! What the idea about come to say Kwakwalo Biten? What's he saying? Hey! We are pastor. Look, let me tell you. This is purely family issue.
Jesus Christ.
Are you one of our family members? Are you one of our family members? Charles!
Sir!
Oh yeah?
Ajapisi, you find some nyame wa.
Yo.
Yanko.
Away. Oh yeah. Hey.
What do you want here again? Huh? I have told you it's over between us. Huh? Don't come here again.
Nana, me pacho. Akono, me pacho. Oh, Akono. Ujami mewu. Akono, me pacho.
Oh, Jaisun.
Hey.
Jaisun, bemensun wati.
Me see. Akono.
Sorry, ko.
Me maunansa. So I say I'm be fie bio. Mama be ku. Na ma ku me ho. Unle me kwajo kisi.
He's not there.
Then let's go back to the charge office.
Officer, that's the man.
Hey, old man, come here.
Oh, my head.
You are wanted at the charge office.
Oh, my head.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Atiba my dream pent me that many kum so can ya bonnet to me son swa ebedum adiboni be betting one or tom sonny me who say yazini baby dream ha Morris flutes. Sama wudi me kwada masi madonchira mori mo kwada masi babunya efuya kai.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
Mr. Kusi,
Auntie.
my attention has been directed to what appeared to be a breach of the law committed by you on the 7th day of May 2002, when you are stated to have threatened to kill your ex-wife, Akonobia. After giving this matter a careful consideration, I have decided that no further action will be taken in this case, but you are informed that if you are reported again, it may be necessary to take proceedings against you in respect of the latter case. Do you understand?
Auntie Meti Asia.
Dear Inspector Khan, what is
Martin,
I am handing over the original copy of this warning letter to you. You are to be of good behavior. Do you understand?
Auntie Meti Asia.
Thank you very much, Inspector. I'll talk to him to be of very good behavior. Thank you once again.
You are welcome.
Aja, just to see any
Auntie Meti Asia.
Investigator.
Yes, madam.
I hope it will change for the better.
We hope so.
Now take the docket away.
Thank you.
What is that? When you say the future when one? Huh? Why do you need? Ah, Asia. Oh, what that one? Taste it.
Loneliness inside. You sing to him the same song we used to sing.
Who is a villager?
Huh? He's a villager. 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 He's a villager.
Why, Master?
It's okay.
Nonsense. You know a villager.
You are under arrest. Oh, officer, Maya, huh?
For hiring people to beat my wife.
Hey, Amwa. Eh.
Whoa. Who bet them till thy kingdom come? Whoa.
Oh, Amwa. Yeah.
Move.
Send the Benufo. Muntie ni ye. Mame mpacho muntie. Ewo mi sa bofre na ni abui. Amene ni nachi amu hu ade. Ani jaba. Na mum achiwade bi wo ho. Ene se body abre eye body kokko. Abofre nhwe na wani bi da. Se odi body kokko anase osomukura a mi kodwo kisi am bebue nene no. Eni fra no ebeba me so. Nti oni body kokko da.
Brother Coco pay. eye. My eye. My eye. Please help me.
Akono.
Please help me.
What is wrong with you?
I can't see.
What do you mean by you can't see?
I can't see you.
Can't you see me? Look at me, Akono.
I can't see you.
Look at me. Look at me.
Oh. Awa, please don't take me to that village.
I can't leave you here. I'm traveling tonight. I did my best. I did my best. Your parents can continue. Look, look. It's a taboo in our village to marry only Penuia like you. A blindness. This is a real cargo. Just! I go.
Amen.
I go.
Hey, Amwa.
Only Penuia.
Mommy. Mommy, I can't see again.
ASANTE. ASANTE.
Yes.
Abba. Edasam.
She can't see. Look, I'm leaving for Germany tonight. Have your daughter. I'll see you later.
Oh,
I'll bring the rest later.
Mommy. Hey. Mommy. Oh, mommy.
Kodwo kisia no be saadi. Kodwo kisia no be saadi. Nti mababa ne se. Ye kwani ye kwa panichew. Mabo hwere mayo.
China